The Curious Giraffe. Once upon a time in the sunny savanna, there lived a young giraffe named Gemma. Gemma was taller than most of her friends, with a long neck, big eyes, and an even bigger curiosity. Gemma always asked questions. Why is the sky blue? What do clouds taste like? Where does the river go? One morning, Gemma spotted a colorful butterfly fluttering by. I must find out where it goes, she said excitedly. She followed it past the tall trees, across the grasslands, and up a little hill. Along the way, she met Milo the meerkat. Where are you off to, Gemma? I'm following the butterfly to learn new things, she smiled. Mind if I come? Of course not. Soon they were joined by Lulu the lion cub and Tika the toucan. Together, the curious friends explored a sparkling stream, danced under a rainbow, and discovered a hidden grove full of sweet fruit. When the butterfly finally flew away into the sky, Gemma sighed, I didn't find out where the butterfly lives. But I found something even better, an adventure with friends. That night, Gemma looked at the stars and whispered, There's a big world out there, and I want to learn it all. See you in the next video with the new story. Till then, bye bye.